to create Alibaba account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Alibaba app on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You have three options: Google, Facebook, and your email. I'm simply gonna add my email and then press on next. Here, code will be sent to my mail. Copy the number like this from your mail and go to Alibaba app and then paste the code. Select your region, add your first name, last name, and then press on done after you've created the password. Now you will be logged into your account that you just created after some time. And this is how to create Alibaba account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.